We're making 2 easy no-bake desserts. Let's get started. We are making one of my favorite desserts. It is called Oreo Cream Pie. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. We don't have to preheat our oven today. And I did soften this. We need 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And we're just going to whisk it. This is the easiest pie. Okay. And we need half of this Cool Whip container. We need 8 ounces. I can get it open. This might be the hardest part of this whole recipe, is opening the Cool Whip. And my little doggy's in here, and all she wants to do is go outside and bark. Just going to take about half of that. Perfect. Just blend it all together. I wanted a simple dessert today. So now I have me a bag. I'm going to put 15 Oreos in this bag. Oreos. I'm going to set this over here to the side. And we're going to crush our Oreos. I'm not going to get out a food processor and have to wash it. This is my food processor. Done. Now we're going to pour our Oreo cookies right in our bowl. Just going to fold it right in. Oh my goodness. I could just eat it like this. I don't need no pie crust. This is so good. But I'm doing it the easy way. I'm not even going to crush up the cookies and make a pie. I'm doing this so simple and so quick and easy. Just got me a chocolate cookie pie crust. And now we're just going to pop it right in here. This is so beautiful. So easy. Oreo pie. We're going to take some cookies. Just going to put them in a little diagonal. Take 4. And I'll put 1 in the middle. And now we're going to take some Sunday chocolate syrup. And we're just going to kind of drizzle around the top. Nothing fancy, just however you like to drizzle. That is it. I just put 2 on the side and 1 in the middle. Oreo cream pie. We're going to let this sit in our refrigerator for 4 hours. If I can stand it, that's what we're going to do. And we'll revisit it in 4 hours. 1 bowl to clean. Quick, easy, and so good. And even made it at home. Homemade. This next dessert is absolutely wonderful. It is one of my favorite desserts. I think everything I'm making today is a favorite dessert. Okay, we have a little bit of Cool Whip here. Have about a half, 8 ounces. I'm just going to take a little bit and sprinkle right on the bottom, kind of like a little buffer for what we're going to make here. We don't need to spray this. No baking involved. So now I have 6 ice cream sandwiches, and these are the Neapolitan. It's the strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. We're just going to pop it right in. And then the last one, we're just going to break in half. It's going to try to fill in the kinks a little bit. Okay, we're going to take some chocolate sauce, and we're just going to kind of go over it just like this. Just drizzle on. I love that drizzle. Okay, we're going to take our Cool Whip. I'm just going to pile it on. And I'm using a 9x9. This is just a quick, simple dessert if you need to throw something together. And I had ice cream sandwiches in there, and I needed some desserts. Okay, we're going to take a little bit more drizzle and just kind of go all around it. Nothing fancy. Now we're going to open up. I have these little miniature baby Ruths. I have like 6 of them. And I'm not going to get out my food processor. You know what's coming. I'm going to put all 6. We're going to crush these up, these little baby Ruths, or whatever kind of candy bar you have. These baby Ruths are kind of got the caramel chew in them, so I'm just going to take them and kind of like break them apart. The candy I had, that's the candy I'm going to use. All that caramel, it'll be good. Little peanuts in there, so good. This is just a simple, so fast, so easy, so good. We want to make sure we get it all. Okay. Now a little bit more drizzle and we're done. That is our ice cream cake. That's our ice cream dessert. Quick, easy. You have a beautiful, delicious dessert. That was so fast. I don't even feel like I've done anything today. Okay, we're going to try this Oreo pie. We're going to leave the ice cream pie alone. The ice cream cake alone because we're going to have that for a special occasion. But I did want to get that. I had to have a piece. Just had to have a piece. I think that is a beautiful serving. Oh my goodness. I know that when I start eating this, I will eat every last bit of it. It's
It's one of my favorite desserts because it's so good. But I'm gonna save this for when my grandbabies come over. And we're gonna have a little, I got a little joy party. Sometimes we just need some joy in our life. So we're gonna have a little joy party and we're gonna dig into this. But I'm having a little bit of joy right now, all on my own. Gotta put that cake down, put it away. I wanna say thank you so much for watching, for, like I say, I just can't believe how sweet you all are. Thank you to all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, our own little family. You all come into my kitchen and give me your wonderful tips and your time. And time is precious. And I want to say thank you so much. You guys go have a wonderful, wonderful day.